In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, a new contender has emerged, sending shockwaves across the tech industry. DeepSeek's latest release, the V3-0324, is proving to be a force to be reckoned with. What's so special about this model? Well, it's powerful enough to rival the best Western models, yet efficient enough to run on high-end Mac studios. Plus, it's completely open source under the MIT license, allowing anyone to explore, modify, or incorporate it into commercial products. But why is this such a big deal? Let's dive into the details and explore why this release is making waves beyond just the tech world. The MIT license, unlocking the power of open source. One of the biggest reasons DeepSeek's V3-0324 is making such a buzz is its release under the MIT license. Unlike their previous open source licenses, which were restrictive, the MIT license is super permissive. This change means practically anyone can take DeepSeek's V3, play around with it, embed it in commercial products, or adapt it for their needs. This approach opens up a world of possibilities, particularly for small teams and new startups that might not have the resources to build their own AI models from scratch. The flexibility of this model has massive implications for China's AI sector. By making this cutting-edge technology easily accessible, DeepSeek is encouraging rapid innovation, allowing developers across the globe to leverage AI in ways they never could before. This move is fueling the growth of a thriving AI ecosystem in China, giving it an edge in the global AI race. Speed and efficiency, an AI that's fast enough for everyone. Another major reason people are talking about DeepSeek V3-234 is its impressive efficiency and speed. Running on a high-end Mac studio, the model can generate text at a rate of around 20 tokens per second. Now, don't let that fancy number throw you off. Essentially, it means this AI is cranking out results faster than previous models. But here's the kicker. They achieve this impressive performance through 4-bit quantization. Now, I know what you're thinking. What on earth is that? It's a technique that lowers the precision of the model's internal calculations, allowing it to run faster and use less memory. Sure, it may result in a slight drop in output quality, but for many use cases, this trade-off is more than worth it. What's even more impressive is that you don't need a massive data center or expensive GPU clusters to see these results. The fact that a $949 Mac Studio can run such a powerful model is a game changer for AI accessibility. It opens up the possibilities for smaller businesses and developers to start using AI without having to break the bank on expensive hardware. Smarter, faster. How DeepSeek's model uses a mixture of experts. DeepSeek V3-234 stands out not only for its speed, but also for how it optimizes its computing resources. With a total capacity of 671 billion parameters, this AI isn't just a one-size-fits-all model. Instead, it uses a clever mixture of expert strategy, where only about 37 billion parameters are activated per prompt. In simple terms, this means DeepSeek doesn't try to handle everything at once. Instead, it calls up smaller, specialized networks only when needed, making the model far more efficient than traditional approaches. By using this method, DeepSeek is able to keep inference costs low while delivering high-quality results. The AI's approach to resource management is a game changer, and it's helping DeepSeek keep ahead of its competitors while maintaining impressive performance. Training a beast. DeepSeek V3-0324's massive dataset. DeepSeek V3-234 didn't just pop into existence overnight. To create this powerful AI, DeepSeek's engineers spent an incredible 2.8 million graphics card hours training the model on a dataset of 14.8 trillion tokens. This training process was not only massive, but also surprisingly cost-effective given the scale. What's fascinating is that even though the dataset was massive, it still cost significantly less than expected for a model of this size. By tapping into more advanced reasoning models like DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek was able to boost the performance of V3, allowing it to excel in logic, coding, and general problem-solving tasks. Though V3 isn't as finely tuned for reasoning as R1, it still performs admirably, with tests showing a solid 60% success rate on Python and Bash tasks. For comparison, this is a major improvement over previous versions, but still falls behind the likes of R1 or other top-tier reasoning models. China's AI leap, how DeepSeek is shaking up global competition. While DeepSeek's V3-0324 is making waves in the tech community, it's also having significant geopolitical implications. China, which has long been considered a challenger in the AI space, is now taking center stage. With the success of DeepSeek and its V3024 model, China is rapidly catching up to the US in terms of AI innovation. Interestingly, the Chinese government has been vocal about its desire to avoid sending top AI experts abroad, especially to the US, citing security concerns. This move is a clear indication of the growing tension between the two countries in the race for AI supremacy. With DeepSeek's success, China is positioning itself as a major player in the global AI race, and its dominance in AI is becoming increasingly difficult for Western nations to ignore. AI's role in China's military and beyond. As if the tech world wasn't already buzzing about DeepSeek's capabilities, it's now making its way into China's military. The People's Liberation Army, PLA, is reportedly experimenting with DeepSeek's AI for non-combat tasks, such as assisting with diagnostics in hospitals. This test run is seen as a way for the military to assess the AI's reliability before deploying it in more critical operations like controlling drones or analyzing satellite imagery. This development also highlights the broader security implications of AI. With DeepSeek's open source nature, the Chinese government has more control over its data and computations, which makes it an appealing option for sensitive tasks. While the AI's use in military applications is still in its infancy, it's clear that China sees the potential for AI to revolutionize the way it handles defense and intelligence operations. The competitive landscape, DeepSeek's strategy, and global impact. In the broader competitive landscape, DeepSeek has emerged as a leader in AI development, but its approach is somewhat different from other tech giants. Rather than focusing on selling business applications directly, DeepSeek is prioritizing research and development. This strategy allows them to remain a cutting-edge R&D powerhouse, while companies like 01.US and others can build business solutions on top of DeepSeek's models. This strategy may seem counterintuitive at first, but it makes sense when you consider the fierce competition in China's AI market. To succeed, you need more than just a powerful AI model. You need strong sales teams, government relationships, and a deep understanding of local market dynamics. By focusing on R&D, DeepSeek is leaving the door open for other companies to handle the commercial side, while still maintaining control over the core technology. The start of a new AI era. As we look ahead, it's clear that DeepSeek V3-0324 is just the beginning. With its powerful, efficient, and flexible model, it's setting the stage for a new era of AI innovation. China is emerging as a key player in the AI space, and DeepSeek's breakthroughs are fueling this rapid growth. In the coming months, we can expect more developments and advancements that could further shift the balance of power in the AI industry. Whether it's through improving AI efficiency, expanding its use in military applications, or challenging Western tech giants, DeepSeek's V3-0324 is a signal that the AI race is far from over. And there you have it. If you think this AI is impressive, wait till you see what else we've got in store. Don't forget to hit that like button faster than DeepSeek generates text, and smash subscribe so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your algorithms sharp and your coffee stronger. Catch you later, AI enthusiasts.